Nissan plans to revive its fortunes in India with the launch of not just one, two, but three new offerings. The first of that is the Gravite sub 4 meter MPV, which has now been launched in India. Before we begin this video, let me remind you to like and share this content with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. The overall silhouette of the Gravite remains similar to the Triber, but that is exactly where the similarities end. The front gets a new design for the grille, which is a hexagonal pattern, while at the same time you get projector headlamps right from the base variant. Moving up in the variant matrix, you also get LED fog lights and front parking sensors. Inside too, the Gravite feels similar yet different at the same time. You get a familiar beige and black interior theme, while this time around in the Gravite, you get blue and white upholstery. Key features include an armrest for the driver, engine start-stop button, cruise control, 6 airbags, TPMS, air purifier, ambient lighting, wireless charger, and a 7-inch digital instrument cluster. Further, it boasts an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, dedicated AC vents for the second and third rows, steering mounted controls, functional roof rails with 50 kg load bearing capacity, and a traction control system. If you still want your Gravite to stand out from all the other cars on the road, you can get the LE or the Launch Edition pack, which comes with certain tweaks that include chrome inserts all around, special decals on the outside. Further, you get more features in the form of door visors, contrast colored inserts for the front and rear bumpers, dual dash cam, air purifier, a JBL sourced music system, and additional cushioning for the front row occupants. Coming to the color options, you can choose from 5 paints, which include black, white, grey, silver, and green. Further, there are 5 variants you can choose from, and these include Vizia, Ascenta, N-Connecta, Tecna, and the LE pack. And the heart of the Gravite will be a 1-liter 3-cylinder naturally aspirated turbo petrol engine paired with 5-speed manual and AMT units. Tuned to produce 71 bhp and 96 Nm of torque, in the Gravite, what makes it special is that the AMT will be offered in the mid-spec N-Connecta variant, thus making it more accessible to customers. We can also tell you that the first update lined up for this model will be an offering of CNG. It is to be noted though that this CNG will be offered as a dealer level fitment. And for those of you who are waiting for a turbo petrol option, well, the wait continues. While we wait for the next few launches and also to spend some more time with the Gravite during our first drive review, you let us know what you feel about this car in the comment section below. Also, feel free to drop in any queries that you might have and we'll answer them right away. Before we leave, let me remind you to subscribe to the CarWale YouTube channel, और अगर आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी में देखना चाहते तो ऊपर वाले लिंक पे क्लिक करें।